In professional situations, a good zoom lens is oftentimes the only way to get the shot. This is the new Fujinon MK lens. It's a true fully manual cinema-style zoom lens with all the mechanical and optical features of higher-end glass now in a smaller package. The MK18-55mmT2.9 offers a zoom range similar to that of traditional photo glass, meaning it covers a versatile range that is perfect for event and documentary coverage. For long distances, Fuji also has a 50 to 135mm. The MK lenses are parfocal, as a true cinema zoom should be, maintaining perfect focus all the way through the zoom range. This also means that for run-and-gun work, you can zoom in, focus the image, zoom back out, and never lose focus. This is perhaps one of the most important features in a professional zoom lens. Because the lenses are designed around mirrorless Super 35 systems, they're more compact than traditional cinezooms, which are made to accommodate the Cinecamera's reflex system, but offer the same benefits over photo zooms. The lenses are accurately marked for focus, distance, and aperture, which by the way is stepless, and in T-stops. The lenses are also color matched, the gears are an industry standard 0.8 mod 32 pitch, and they're designed to mitigate focus breathing. To get an idea of this, compare this adapted lens setup to the native Fuji lens. Finally, the gear positioning and barrel sizes are identical between the 18-55 and 50-135 lenses, making lens swaps much easier for cinematography. The Fuji MK lenses offer true cinema-level zoom mechanics that take advantage of the smaller flange distance of the mirrorless E-mount. These are an incredible option for those looking to step up to a professional zoom lens that offers a familiar range, excellent quality, and superb mechanics, which you simply cannot find in photography glass.